Hello and welcome to this course about BIM clash detection. This course is designed to teach you with a deeper detail how to create clash detections, report them and send them back using several tools from the Autodesk suite. We will start with Autodesk Revit, then we will go with Autodesk Navisworks, and then with those workflows how do we improve the results we send to our team using Dynamo. So the clash detection is the fastest and clearest way to find a return of investment with a BIM implementation because it will help to prevent problems in communication and coordination between all disciplines and on site. It really doesn't matter at what stage of the project you implement it. With a BIM modeling solution, it will always find the spots where information is uncoordinated, and preventing those problems will improve efficiency in time and cost. So the course is split in 8 sections, each one with different inputs and outputs, so you can choose which processes adapts best to your necessities. It only has one exercise to be followed up and an activity to complete at the end, so you can use your clash detections either one process or the other one. The materials include all the scripts, all the files for practice, and the custom notes created specifically for it. So if you're tired of taking courses that go too fast or with a lot of content, this one is specifically designed to help you with clash detections, and it has direct response for any topic listed, so we can improve the content. Also, if you have any inquiry or doubt possibility of doing this process better, don't hesitate on asking it. We will find it or we will continue developing. So be the first to know of future courses regarding BIM and take advantages of all the opportunities that may appear and use it to improve your work performance and get better job positions.